In this video, we'll be exploring the key elements that make a great inspirational speech. Whether you're a public speaker, a student, or just someone who is interested in the art of communication, this video is for you. First, let's look at the importance of an inspirational speech and why you would want to give one. The purpose of an inspirational speech is to motivate and inspire your audience. It should touch their hearts and minds and move them to take action. The best inspirational speeches are those that connect with people on an emotional level and leave a lasting impression. Let's explore some key elements that can help you achieve this goal. One of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience is by telling a story. A good story has the ability to transport people to different places and touch their hearts. When crafting an inspirational speech, it's important to choose a story that is relevant to your audience and conveys your message effectively. Metaphors and analogies are powerful tools that can help simplify complex ideas and make them more relatable. By comparing your message to something else, you can help your audience understand it better and remember it for longer. When using metaphors and analogies, be sure to choose those that are relevant and easy to understand. The language you use in your inspirational speech can have a significant impact on the way your message is received. Positive language helps to create a sense of hope and optimism, while negative language can create fear and anxiety. Choose your words carefully and aim to inspire and uplift your audience. Finally, a great inspirational speech should end with a call to action. This is the part where you tell your audience what you want them to do after listening to your speech. Whether it's taking action towards a goal, making a change in their lives, or simply spreading your message, a call to action can help make your speech more meaningful. In conclusion, a great inspirational speech has the ability to move mountains and change lives. By incorporating the key elements we've discussed, you can craft a speech that inspires and motivates your audience to take action. Remember to tell a story, use metaphors and analogies, use positive language, and end with a call to action. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching,